you can see it, this guy's dog is riding on his motorcycle with him. And it's got his own pair of goggles. Tell me that's not awesome.
That is just freaking cute.
That's gotta be the most badass thing I've ever seen.